also a little bit for the flower here. Also a little bit. Give it color. Something like this. I hope you can see good. Touch. Okay. This one too. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make 3D flower nail art. I make it with plastiline. Okay, just follow step-by-step tutorial here for me. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, enjoy. First, we need nail tips like this. I already put in the gel polish, and then we need also some color, whatever color you like for your flowers. This is plastiline. Yeah, it's a beautiful color. We need some rose color or green for the lips. Okay. You need some brush like this. I use this from nail over. This one too. Some brush. I call this one is like tongs, something like this. Okay. Or like this. I buy this one from Amazon. Also nice to work for 3D. Yeah, something like this. Here I have the sample from plastiline, something like this. Flower with leaves. Yeah. This one also, and this one. Yeah. Look, this one is the flower, and you can also make something like this. Okay. Whatever you like, but I think I will give tutorial for the basic, and then you can make your own, create what you like. Okay, and we put them back to the left. And then we put in here again. Okay. It's not so difficult, right? When you practice all the time, you can do that. I can do that. I think you can do that also. Okay. Okay. We take again a little bit and we put them back to here. Okay, if you're happy with this, you can now put them back to the lamp. Just put in small the rhinestone, something like this, and then you can take this one. I really like this. I can press it on this. Okay, and then you take some. Just around there. Okay, something like this. Maybe we need some glue here, a little bit. Okay. Do I need more here? Yes, little bit. And take again your pencil. When your brush is too dry, you can put them back to the water, and clean them again, something like this. Okay. Yeah. This is something like this. A lot of color here. That's okay. dog. And we can put him back to the lamp. But when you keep in practice all the time, it will be perfect. It doesn't matter when you just learn. Even you make mistake, it doesn't matter, because we learn anything, everything from mistake. I do the same. Okay. And you can make this something like that, a little bit. Don't press too hard. Only to make a structure to the flower. Okay. I think my brush is too dry. Okay. Something like this, you need it a little bit. Put in up, touch a little bit, not too hard. Okay, something like this. Okay. If you're happy with this, we can put in now to the lamp for 5 seconds. Some color, a little bit, not too much, something like this. And then you can take this brush. Yes, okay. Okay. Yeah. I hope you can see it good. And you can make your line little bit to this and to this. Also to this one. Okay, and start to put in like a line, something like this. And this one too. Okay, something like that. And then we back to here again. You can take from here, touch a little bit, touch the on top, take the on top like this. I hope you understand what I say. If not enough, just take again a little bit, but not too much. Touch, like a line. Yes. Okay, touch a little bit. Do the same to another lid. Touch, touch, touch. Touch, touch, touch. Something like this. Okay. This one I also like a bit darker. I like. Yes, touch, 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 but not too much. Okay, change, and okay, again, touch, 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 touch. Okay, yeah. Something like this. And I like also a little bit for the flower here. Also a little bit. Give it color. Something like this. I hope you can see good. Touch, touch. Okay. This one too. Only a little bit strict line to on top. Turn around. Okay, something like this. Okay. This one too. Okay. And then this one too, a little bit. Okay, when you're happy with this, we can put into the lamp now for 1 minute. Hi, thank you so much for your time to watch my tutorial video. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please don't forget to leave thumbs up and subscribe on my channel to support my YouTube channel. So next time I can make more another creation for you. Have a nice day and see you again next time. Bye!